Grace Solar's W-type solar mounting system is designed specifically for ground installations, ensuring reliable performance under a variety of challenging conditions. Featuring a 60-degree inclination, it is optimized for maximum energy efficiency and solar exposure. The system is engineered to withstand extreme weather, with a maximum wind speed tolerance of up to 60 meters per second and the ability to support snow loads of up to 200 centimeters. Constructed from high-strength aluminium alloy or A270 materials, this mounting system offers exceptional durability and resistance to environmental wear. Its anodized and electrophoresis surface treatment enhances corrosion resistance, making it ideal for long-term outdoor use. The foundation options include concrete or ground screws, allowing for flexible installation across various terrain types. Backed by a 10-year warranty, this mounting system delivers peace of mind and reliable performance for years to come. As one of the top 5 global manufacturers of solar mounting systems, Grace Solar ensures timely delivery and provides responsive customer service.